a time of calling forth that divine masculine energy. Because what we know is true is that each and every one of us has access to that energy. That energy exists beyond the physical form that our bodies have manifested in. And that it is that wonderful combination of masculine and feminine that makes up the truth of who we are. And so we take this opportunity as we move into meditation. We breathe in, we release, and we connect with the divine masculine within us, right here and right now. Calling forth that energy as we see it. We allow it to be our touchstone for today. We allow it to be that thing that reminds us of the truth that we are deeply connected to a loving presence. A presence that can go by many names, by God, Father, Mother, Spirit, Divine Essence. Whatever name we've given it, we know that we are deeply connected to that. And so in this moment, we call forth our divine strength. We call forth our divine guidance. We call forth our divine wisdom. We call forth our divine patience. As we allow that divine masculine to flow through us. We let go of the preconceived notions about what that means, what that energy means. We let go of the definitions we have given to it. And in this moment, choose to see it from the pure, absolute realm of truth. The pure realm of divine energy. And so we deeply connect to that energy right here and right now as we move into a time of silence. And so as we continue to breathe into this moment, we allow our hearts and our minds to fill with gratitude. Gratitude for this connection that we have felt right here and right now. Gratitude for the expansion of our souls that we know is about to occur. Gratitude for all the expressions of fatherly love. And so we allow that gratitude to radiate from us now as a blessing for ourselves, our families, our community, and our world. And so it is. Amen.